Hi guys, welcome back here to Drone Emotion, a channel where we do drone videos and where we cover the most relevant drone news. Today we're back here with another episode with breaking news regarding the DJI Fly App, guys. Yes, finally the DJI Fly App has received a brand new update from DJI. And we have all of the information for you guys today here in today's video. But before we get started, guys, if you guys want to get an opportunity in winning a free DJI Mavic Air 2, all you have to do, guys, is subscribe to the channel, guys. It's that simple and easy. And if we're able to hit 1,000 subscribers before September the 15th, then we're going to be giving away one Mavic Air 2 to one of you lucky subscribers. So guys, you don't want to miss out on this epic opportunity, so make sure you subscribe and you join the Drone Emotion family, guys. So with that being said, let's dive right into today's video, which is a really exciting one, guys. And I really didn't thought I was going to be making this here today, but the news came, guys, and DJI gave us a brand new update for the DJI Fly App. So for those of you guys that don't know what the DJI Fly App is, so the DJI Fly App is the new app that the Mavic Air 2 and the DJI Mavic Mini use to control your aircraft. So as you guys know, DJI has been moving from the DJI Go 4 app to the DJI Mavic Mini. So this update is a pretty important one. It's not a huge update, but it's a pretty important one, which is going to give us a couple nice neat features. So guys, let's get started. The DJI Fly App just got a brand new update today. With the first thing, it's fixing a few bugs that were there, and additionally, the most important thing with this update is that we're now going to be able to see the remaining SD card storage, which is going to be displayed on the main screen of our phone while we fly our drone, guys. So this is something pretty important, guys, as while we're going to be flying, we're now going to be able to check how much longer you can record on your SD card and see the gigabytes that are remaining on the SD card. So this is pretty important, guys. So the DJI Fly App looks like it's going to be getting a little bit more complex, more professional. So I really like this brand new update that's going to be implemented. So right here on screen, guys, is a picture of what this new update is going to be looking like on your phone. So once you have it installed, this is what it looks like. So that is the update that's included with the new update from DJI. So if you guys don't know how to update your app, so all you have to do is go to the Play Store or to the iOS, to your Apple Store, and just go and search for the DJI Fly App and just click the update button. It's that easy and simple. So once you do that, you're going to be getting this new update on your Mavic Mini or on your Mavic Air 2. So with this new update, it's not really big, but it's pretty important, guys. So why is this important, guys? So with this, we're now going to be able to get a quick view of the camera mode you're in, instead of having to go to the camera settings. If you're taking photos, the number of photos you can take is displayed. It's great to see that DJI is continually adding new things to the DJI Fly App. So I really like that DJI is continuing, and it's always trying to improve on their app. And this is also important, guys, because this might be leading us to believe that the Mavic 3 is going to be using the DJI Fly App, and especially with DJI adding all of these brand new features, they're making it more professional for those professional filmmakers and photographers. It looks like DJI in the recent months, they've been trying to get this app on point. So this probably means that the Mavic 3 will be using the DJI Fly App. So guys, that is all of the information for you guys today regarding the new update from DJI on the DJI Fly App, guys. Thank you for watching, guys, and make sure you subscribe to the channel.